Guys, what's up? It's Jennifer Boylan, and in this video, you're going to learn how you can avoid certain mistakes that I've made when I got started in internet marketing so you don't have to make those same mistakes. Now, this video is for anyone that's just getting started marketing their business online, or perhaps you haven't even gotten started yet, but you're kind of, looking from the outside, debating on, why you should be marketing online and things like that, and how to get started. Well, I'm going to share with you a couple things that I wish I had done when I first got started, right? So let's see, just to give you a little bit of a background, I've been in internet marketing for a year now, and before that, I had no idea that there was even such a thing as internet marketing. I didn't realize how popular it was. I didn't realize, that people were actually using the internet to promote their businesses, to make money online. Man, I just thought the internet was for searching for whatever you needed to find out on Google or Facebook, MySpace, social media type of things, right? So when I found out about the opportunity to actually make money online, it was really exciting to me, and it really appealed to my interest because it's taking basically taking your hobbies, your interest or your business, and being able to make money out of it by sharing it through the internet. Okay, so one mistake that I would say I made when I first got started, I felt like I had to know everything before I did anything. And, I don't know if you've ever heard, but the best way of learning something is by learning, doing, and teaching. So if you're able to take an application that you've learned and actually apply it, no matter if you're a beginner or not, as soon as whatever piece of bit of applied knowledge that you, or I'm sorry, knowledge that you have on something, apply it, and then teach it to other people by doing videos or writing on your blog or creating a website. Teach it to other people, and then that really helps you become an expert. Okay, so when I first got started, they say to blog daily, and even at this point, I had no idea I mean, I knew what a blog was. I figured it was just people blogging about, their hobbies and passions and things. And I didn't really know what my hobby was, so I didn't really know what to even blog about. But, really you can blog about whatever you want. If you like to teach people things about, technology or electronics, or if you're good at sewing or cutting hair, or if you are smart when it comes to computer graphics, or just anything, really anything, you can teach people to do this online, because people everywhere are searching for certain things, and chances are, if you're interested in it, there's going to be somebody else that's interested in and is in as well. I'm sorry, also interested. And you have the ability to gain these people that know, like, and trust you now, and be able to give them some valuable information through internet products and sell them, and make money, and then just keep the cycle going, right? So my biggest piece of advice would be, when you're just getting started, whatever piece of information that you learn, take action on it right away. So if someone's telling you to blog every day, well, then blog every day. If someone is telling you, hey, cut a video about what you just learned in this learning segment, then do it. Don't think, oh wait, I have to, watch this, but then I also have to watch or listen to 3 other, webinars before I can get started. No, you have to get started right away. You want to take advantage of the market that you're in right now. So you want to just be readily, like, be ready to, like, absorb all the information that you're getting, and then also be able to share it with other people, because the more you get information and give it away, the more valuable you become, the more you learn the information that you're processing, and you'll be able to learn at a quicker rate than just watching a video here, watching a video here, watching a video here. And after you've watched 3 videos and you haven't done anything, you're kind of going to be like, oh crap, what do I do now? I should watch another video. So you see that pattern? So now you're just watching all these videos and you're not doing anything. So from the first, so last piece of advice, okay? The first piece of information that you ever learn when you're starting to market your business online, or when you're starting to get into the internet marketing realm or industry, just take action right away. That's the hugest piece of advice I can give you is take action right away. Start applying everything that you learn, and you'll just keep moving forward. Your business is just going to grow so much faster, and you'll definitely be able to see more success in your business the more action you take. So I know you got a lot of information from all of that. This was part of my 50-day vlogging challenge where I had to share with you something that I wish I knew when I first got started so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. And if you want to learn how you can be a part of this vlogging challenge, well, click the link below and see what we're all about, learn how you can get on this, and also learn how you can get paid making videos like this too. And I will see you on the next video. Bye. Jennifer Boylan signing out.